Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever landed in a new country, turned on your phone, and instantly worried about the roaming fees piling up? Or maybe you've wasted time hunting for a local SIM card at the airport, juggling tiny trays and paper clips just to swap cards. Yeah, it's frustrating. And expensive. That's where aloSIM makes life so much easier. aloSIM is a travel-friendly mobile data solution that uses eSIM technology. Instead of buying physical SIM cards, you just download a digital SIM straight to your phone, tablet, or even laptop. No roaming surprises, no airport chaos, just instant, affordable data wherever you land. Here's why travelers love it. Global coverage in 200 plus countries, from the US and UK to Japan, France, Mexico, and beyond. Wherever you go, you can connect to fast 4G and 5G networks in minutes. No roaming charges. Instead of paying your carrier $10 to $20 per day, aloSIM gives you local data at local rates. Flexible prepaid packages plans start as low as $4.50 for a full week. Perfect for short trips or quick stopovers. Lifetime eSIM. Once it's installed on your device, it never expires. You just top it up whenever you travel. Bonus phone number. Every data package comes with a free temporary number, powered by Hushed, so you can call and text if needed. And setup, super simple. You buy a plan before your trip, install the eSIM with a couple of taps, and it's ready to activate as soon as your plane lands. Now, here's the part that caught my attention. Normally, you'd pay full price for every data package, but right now there's a Stack Social lifetime deal where you get $50 worth of aloSIM credit for just $24.97. That's basically double the value, enough for more than 11 weeks of travel data, depending on the packages you choose. So, if you're planning a trip and don't want to deal with roaming fees or messy SIM swaps, aloSIM is definitely worth checking out. I've dropped a link in the description where you can grab this lifetime deal before it disappears. Travel smart, stay connected, and keep your phone bill under control.